Hi you guys. So my video today will be me doing the Dawn power wash on some coasters, on some ceramic tile coasters. And I have missed you guys, so I haven't made a video in about 2 weeks. So let's get started and give it a go. The first thing I'm going to do, you guys, is spray paint my tile with the base coat, what I call the base coat. Today I will be using the Rust-Oleum. This works the best for everything that I've used with like metal. This worked really well, so I'm going to try this one today. The last one that I used did not work well with the vase video that I did, so let's give this a go. Should have put on some gloves, but lesson learned. So what I'm going to do is just let this dry. And looks like I was a little too close to it. I have some little spots there, but I will let it dry. And I said that I was going to do another one just in case. I'll be right back, you guys. We'll let that dry and we'll come back and we'll finish it off. Okay, you guys, for the second part. So I went back and I did do another towel. And I left that towel inside of the box. And I just sprayed it inside of the box. And the coverage was much better because I wasn't as close to it. So, next step, I'm just going to take this towel. And so I'm keeping the box so that the spray paint won't get over everything. And I am going to, let's try it in the box. I'm going to try it in the box first. I'm just going to put this towel in the box. And so then I have here, and let me make sure that it's open all the way, because the last time I didn't get a good coverage from this. So this is just a Dawn power wash, okay? Okay, so I'm just going to take it and spread in spots that I want the gold to create an effect for the gold, okay? And maybe I should hold it up, but this is trial and error, so we will learn together. So let me try the other towel first. Since this one has such great coverage, I'm going to try this one first, just in case it doesn't come out the way I want it to. Okay, let me give it a little, there we go. Spray it on. I'm going to just pick it up so you can see what I'm doing. So I'm just going to spray it on the top here and on the bottom. Okay. Then I'm going to take my gold here. Okay, I'm going to set this towel down. Take my gold. I'm just going to spray it on there. Okay. And the towel is pretty small, so it looks like to me that gold went more places than I wanted it to. I'm just going to show you here before I wash it off. This is what it looks like. Okay. Then I'm just going to take this water and then wash it off. Okay. So I think I need to spray some of the gold more the next time that I do it. See there? And that's what it looks like. Okay. And I will go back afterwards and I will seal these with resin, and I may also do something else with them, but I will let you see what I end up doing with it. So let's try the next one. That gold did not stay like I wanted it to. It didn't go exactly how I wanted it to. But let's give this another go because I think I put a little bit too much on the edges. So let's give this one a go. Okay, so yeah. Well, trial and error, just like I said. Let's give it a try. And I'm going to try it most likely again. I will try it with some other colors. This is just to see what it's going to end up looking like until I can kind of like get it down pat with the look. I'm pretty sure this one will be different because I sprayed it different, so it will be a little different. I think I'm gonna let it sit for just a minute because that gold didn't look like it stick this well, so I'm gonna wait for just a little bit. Okay. Yeah, that gold didn't stick that much. This one doesn't even have as much gold on it. I'm probably going to have to go back and redo this one. It doesn't have that much gold at all. Okay. And you know, I might not redo it because it doesn't all have to be the same. So if you can see this one, it doesn't have that much gold at all on it. I think I sprayed too much of the PowerWash because I wanted some more gold. So it gives an awesome effect though. I don't know if you can see it or not. See that? It's awesome. And so this would be good though. You see all of those white space? This would be good if you wanted to do a monogram, which I think that I'm going to do. So it's a lot of white space and I really like that. So I may leave it the way it is and go ahead and do it a monogram. So I forgot to mention to you guys, wherever you do not want your accent color to go, in this case, my accent color is the gold. You are going to spray the Dawn PowerWash. That's where you will spray the Dawn PowerWash, wherever you do not want the accent color to go. So I'm going to show you, for example, I'm going to get the Dawn. And so where I want my color to be is in the middle, okay? So I'm going to spray around the middle so that I do not get the color in the middle. Okay? And I did learn that I need to let the color sit on there for a minute before washing it off because it will be thicker. You know, I will have a thickness to it, okay? So let's give it a go. Okay. So you can kind of see the middle there was lighter. That is where my color is mostly going to be. Okay, so I'm hoping that it's thicker than what it was, because you cannot redo them once you've put the paint on there. Okay, so it's definitely thicker than it was the first time. Okay, can you see that? So the gold is really thicker than it was the first time I did it. It was too light. Okay, you guys, until the next time I'll come back. The next video hopefully will be a painting video, and then I'll try another color with this Dawn Power Wash to see what we'll get. Till next time, you guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button.